Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon Kindle. First, power on your device by holding the power button for about 3 seconds. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to enable content downloads and updates. Then, register your Kindle to your Amazon account. This links your purchases and cloud library. Finally, personalize your experience by setting your preferred language and time zone in the settings menu. It's a straightforward process to get you reading quickly. Once you're set up, navigating your Kindle is intuitive. To turn a page forward, simply tap the right side of the screen. To go back, tap the left side. For a personalized reading experience, tap the top of the screen to bring up the menu, then select the icon to adjust font size, style, and line spacing. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate any book in your library or specific text within a book. Enjoy your reading journey. Managing your content on Kindle is simple and efficient. You can browse and purchase new books directly from the Kindle store, which offers millions of titles. Before buying, consider downloading a free sample to read the first few chapters. To keep your library tidy, create collections to organize your books by genre or author. Plus, with WhisperSync, your reading progress, bookmarks, and notes are automatically saved and synchronized across all your Kindle devices and apps, ensuring you never lose your place. Beyond the basics, your Kindle offers several advanced features to enhance your reading. Tap and hold on any word to instantly access its definition from the built-in dictionary. You can also highlight text and add personal notes, which are saved for easy reference. Share your favorite passages or book recommendations with friends directly from your device. Remember to adjust the backlight or switch to dark mode for optimal eye comfort. Whether you are reading in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room, happy reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.